months have been just wonderful. Tomorrow, why don't we drive up the coast to that little seafood place and... What's the matter?
My orders came through. My squadron ships out tomorrow. We're bombing the storage depots at Daiquiri at 1800 hours. We're coming in from the north, below their radar.
When will you be back?
I can't tell you that. It's classified.
Oh, Ted, please be careful. I worry about you so much.
I love you, Elaine.
I love you.